Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make Spotify fade between songs. First, open up your Spotify app and log into your account. Once you're in, go to the top right corner where you see your profile name. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, scroll down through the settings until you find the Playback section. Here, you will see an option called Crossfade. By default, it's turned off. To enable crossfade, simply toggle the switch on. This will allow Spotify to smoothly fade one song into the next. You can also adjust how long you want the transition to be by using the slider below. For example, if you set it to 5 seconds, the last 5 seconds of one song will blend into the first 5 seconds of the next song. You can choose anywhere between 0 and 12 seconds depending on your preference. I personally find that 3 to 5 seconds creates a nice, smooth transition between songs, but feel free to experiment with what works best for you. And that's how you make Spotify fade between songs. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.